Hey guys, I'm Corey Bysted with Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you a Catalina Trail Blazer 30 THS. Let's take a look inside. Alright guys, so as you walk up these nice solid steps, you can see the TV is right in front of you. You do have two chairs in this room, so you can view your TV. You can see all the many tow hooks they put on the ground. That's nice because it seems like they only put about 4 in a lot of these, so I like that they give you options on what angles you want to tie up your toys, and that's important. People always think of floor plan colors and space, and then they always like have all this issue like, how am I going to tie it down the way that I want to? So they're thinking of you there. Now this is a motorized bed. There's actually 2 beds, so when you roll it down, the top bed stops at about halfway, and then the bottom bed comes down all the way just about to your knees, almost. And then if you want, you can pin the top bed where it's at against the ceiling. That way the bottom bed can just roll freely wherever you want it without that other one. And then you can also turn the bottom bed into couches, so the backs roll over into the back sphere couches, so you can sit at them opposing. And then the last feature about these is you can pull this silver pin on the hinge, and they can actually hinge over and lay against the wall, just in case if your toy had a roll cage and you needed the extra height or whatever you're doing. So lots of versatility in this hauling area. I love the colors in this brand. It's nice and updated. If you look, all of the heat ducts are in the walls, not in the floor. That's nice because they didn't cut your floor up and make it prone to getting soft spots out there in the future at any point in time. Your control panel is right next to the door, and you also have these 2 cabinets. There's lots of storage. I missed to mention there's lots of storage above these chairs, above this oversized window, and it's nice that it's tinted. So actually, we had our Coachmen factory representative out, and he said a lot of these brands are starting to cut corners on tinted windows for 2 reasons. One, it's less money if you don't put them on because they cost more to tint your windows. And 2, when they're at the dealership at the lot, there's no way we can really get power to them on every single rig. So you don't really get the lights on in here when we're showing them to customers. So if they're not tinted, then the light comes in nice and bright and it seems more exciting, and then you buy it and then you just have non-tinted windows. So they decided to just go against all that and just give you the tinted because that's better for the customer after the sale, whether it costs more for the manufacturer or not. So I like that. The kitchen is very unique. You get this like L style countertop. This whole kitchen unit is in the slide out. So when the slide comes in, you can pretty much assume that the hallway will not exist. And that is okay because it takes about 7 seconds to get this slide out. So, and it's very reliable. So it'll come out in like 7 seconds and you'll have your hallway back. But that is something that you probably would like to know. And then you go into your bedroom, and that's a queen bed. You have full walk around space. There's cabinets above your bed and closets on the sides of your bed and little end tables on the sides as well. So what's really nice is when your slide is in, blocking off your bathroom door, you are able to use the front door and enter your bedroom to get into the bathroom if you want. So if you're on a camping trip and you need to pull over on the side of the road to use the restroom in your rig, you can actually do that without having to mess with slide outs and none of that stuff. So yes, you do lose your hallway, but there's still a way into that bedroom with the slide out in. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video on the Catalina. If you have any questions on any other of my brands or products, you can just give me a call, 541-735-1535. Thank you.